Hello and welcome everybody to my channel Kerala GSB Konkani Dishes, and today we will be seeing how to prepare ambale karambi. Now if you have a mango tree at home, then you are lucky because you can prepare a variety of dishes from these mangoes. There are so many dishes that could be easily prepared and out of this mango, from the stage of tender mango to fully ripe mangoes. In olden days, even the seeds of the mango were not left out alone. You can prepare a lot of dishes with that as well. Now, ambale karambi is an instant pickle. Actually, it is not a pickle, but I like to call it a pickle. Prepared out of tender mango that goes well with rice, idli, dosha, udda appo, as well as with chapati and dali umman. I have not used onions and garlic in this preparation. It is totally optional. These are the ingredients that you need for preparing the dish. 1 handful of tender mangoes, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder or as per your spiciness level, salt to taste, fresh coconut oil for garnishing. Wash, cut and remove the seeds inside the tender mango. Cut it as shown into small semicircles. Add red chilli powder, salt, coconut oil, asafoetida and mix well. Your ambale karambi is ready to be served. Serve with rice, idli, dosha, udda appo or with chapati and dali umman. Thank you for watching my channel. Please like, share and subscribe.